In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a date calendar on Confluence. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the very bottom left over here where it says calendars, and then here you want to create a calendar. So you want to click on this plus icon and then add new calendar. Here you have to give it a name. So for this one, I'm just going to give it a name 123, and then you want to click on create. So once you do this, your calendar has been successfully created. Then you want to go back into your page over here, and then you simply want to hover over somewhere where you would like to basically insert it. Click on there, and then click on this plus icon. Type in Team Calendars. There we go. It's going to pop up. Click on that. And then over here, you're going to have to set it up. So here you first have to find it. So 123 was the calendar. There we go. You then want to click on that. And then you can basically adjust its view. You can adjust by month, week, list, whatever you want to do. And of course, you can adjust its height. And then you can see over here, you can select where you want the legend to be. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.